In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clustered stacked column chart in Excel. A clustered stacked column chart is perfect when you want to compare categories side by side, while also showing how each column is made up of parts. Think of it as two layers of insight in one view. Clusters let you compare across categories, and stacks let you see the composition within each category. Before we start, make sure your data is arranged in a simple table. Put your categories, like months or regions, down the first column, and place each component you want stacked in its own column to the right. Include clear headers in the top row. Those become the legend labels that explain each colored segment. First, highlight the data. Click and drag to select the full range, including the header row and all the values you want in the chart. Avoid empty rows or columns inside the selection, because gaps can confuse Excel and lead to missing stacks or mislabeled legends. If your table is large, you can click the top left cell and use Shift plus the arrow keys to expand your selection while staying precise. With the range highlighted, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This tells Excel you're about to create a visualization from the data you've selected. If the Insert tab isn't visible, make sure your worksheet is active and you're not in a cell editing mode. Next, choose the Insert Column or Bar Chart button. It looks like a small icon with vertical bars. This opens a gallery of chart types that work well for comparisons. Columns are ideal here because they make both clustering and stacking easy to read along a shared baseline. In the 2D column section, select the Stacked option. This gives you columns composed of segments, one for each header you selected, and places each category as its own column. When you have multiple categories, Excel displays them side by side as clusters, so you get the combined clustered stacked effect in a single chart. Once the chart appears, you can resize or move it so it's easy to read. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you included the header row in your selection and that there aren't stray blanks in the middle of your data. Clear, descriptive headers also make the legend instantly understandable, and consistent number formats in your table help the stacks align correctly. And that's it. You've created a clustered, stacked column chart in Excel, ready to compare categories and reveal the parts that make up each one.